Once again, we're going back into the locations account for the other features to discuss in there. So we're going back into our training to location account. And we've talked about how you can rename the type of location it is, how you can set throttle rates primary and secondary. And there's a few other things associated with the throttle rates that we want to review now. If you go into restrict location availability, you can see that you've got all the days of the week 24 hours a day. Green, primary throttle rates. Yellow, secondary throttle rates are offline, is red. And what this means is that you can set each and every hour of each and every day to a specific setting. Every time you change one of those, don't forget to save the changes. You'll get a confirmation. So it automatically takes you back to the location account. Now, I want to go back in there one more time here and review something here. So we've set various throttle rates for speeds during business hours and off hours, and we've got a maintenance schedule over here, so we don't want anything happening with the machine at that point. The other pieces of that integration relate to the country setting. We always are where we should be, and time zone. In this case, we're in Pacific time zone, so it's -8 hours from universal time. And that's important because each and every location in the AIRShip system is reflecting where is it in the world. So for example, you may be in primetime business hours in Los Angeles as an example, sending to locations in other places in the world that are in their off hours. So each and every location that you're sending to will have different settings, more likely than not, for the times of day in their time zone, not yours, but theirs. And what that means is each and every destination that you may be sending to, the portal will negotiate the throttle rates to that respective location individually. So you never ever have the situation where, for example, you might be in off hours with more bandwidth, sending into a location that's set for its primetime bandwidth settings, which are much lower. You can never overwhelm the system that way.